Good news, guys. Grok AI is finally here. You can use this particular app to access Grok AI for free, generating unlimited images and creating your unlimited videos. Now, this platform offers 5,000 free credits in your first sign up. And not just that, the moment you sign up, you claim another 25,000 free credit. Guys, you are excited. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can use this free app using your mobile phone. So if this sounds like something you enjoy and you love to see, please watch step by step and watch to the end. Don't forget to give this video a like, drop me a comment, and smash the subscribe button. And one thing, please, there's an alternative I'm going to be adding towards the end of this video, and I will show you how you can claim the 25,000 free credit. Without much ado, let's dive into it. If you've not joined my WhatsApp group, so that you'll be the first to be notified on my new release, why don't you join now? To your ChatGPT and get all your prompts. Okay, of course, I've gotten my prompt here. I want to generate just one scene for you to see, and then you follow the same pattern and generate all. Head over to your Chrome browser and type in this website. I'll pin it in the comment section and in the description of this video, so go ahead and use that one. The moment you sign up, okay, you're going to have 5k free coins for just signing up. Okay, now you can see you have Grok here, you can see, and then you now see the 5,000 coins you have for free just by signing up. If you look down, you will see get the 25,000 coins for free. That is also very important because they're enabled to generate. So let's open that Studio AI. Once you click on that Studio AI, you are going to see this option. So we are going to first generate our image using Grok AI for you to see. So once you click on that, you are going to see image. Now select image generator, okay, because we want to generate our image using Grok AI first before we now generate our video. Remember, we are doing everything in one place. So once you click on that design with Grok, okay, it's going to take you to this interface. Now remember, you already have your prompts ready. Now if you look down, you're going to see Grok AI, that is Grok, and you have 1,900 using Grok to generate. You now set your aspect ratio to the right aspect ratio, paste your prompt, make the necessary corrections and adjustments to get a desired result. Remember, with this tool, you can generate as many images you want. You can even use it to generate all your images and take it to any video animation platform to animate them. Do you understand? But let's try and use this font to animate it for you to see. Now once you want to generate, it will require that you put in your card details. Now pay attention to this part. You can either use a physical card or you add it from your Play Store. Now if you add it from your Play Store, you can cancel it. Okay, this is to enable us to have access to all the premium tools, okay, for free, $0 without any cost. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the post notification so don't miss the next upload that I will show you how you can unsubscribe or cancel subscription whenever you subscribe to any platform. Okay, let's proceed. So welcome to Studio AI. We're already in the Studio AI right now, so we want to generate that image. Now this platform gives you automatic $30,000 the moment you subscribe for the free trial. The moment you subscribe for the free trial. Now this $30,000 comes in when you added your card. So the moment you add your card and claim the $30,000, you can generate as many images as you wish. Like I said, you can generate these images and take it to another AI platform to animate them. That is, if this one is not going to animate for you, or if you're exhausted, you can switch to another email. Now look at the image it has generated. This is using Grok AI to generate this image for using the prompt that I gave. Then you're going to go ahead and download it. Click that download button that you're just seeing there, or you click on those three dots that is on top of the screen, and boom, you are ready to download it to your phone. Now we want to use this image now to generate our video. We want to animate it still on this platform. Remember, we are using Grok AI on this platform. We are not leaving to any other platform. The same thing, open there and select video generation, okay, video generator, and of course it's going to take you to this interface where you have to see different models. We have Cadence 2.0, we have Clean 3, we have other models. So you select your Grok AI and of course click and paste your prompt that you already have for your maybe scene 1 or scene 2 or scene 3, like that. just use this process and create all your scenes. Then bring in, now after adding your prompt, make your editing, remove what you need to remove, make it sound. Remember, if you want to make it to tell the dialogue, you need to adjust and put, like, look at the way I'm putting mine. I have to adjust it and make it look real. Like, okay, so when the AI is running it, you'll be able to understand that, okay, this man that is standing and this girl that is standing, and they want to say something. We are going to see if truly the way I'm doing it is the right way. Okay, so this is me now trying to tell you that this is how you should do it. Now click on that adding your image to bring in your keyframe. Now once you click that keyframe, it's going to bring in your image, take it to your key folder or your gallery, and then you bring in your image. The image we generated still using this platform. Do you understand? Then once that is done, if you look down, you're going to see generate. Okay, go ahead and click on that if you are sure of everything. Remember, this is not trial and error. Okay, you already know that, okay, this is the result you're going to get. That's the reason why I'm telling you that if you want to do trial and error, you might exhaust your credits. And then if you exhaust your credit, good and fine, you generated all your images. Pack all your images to another AI generator that, I mean, we've talked about in this channel. Okay, use any of them, then go ahead and generate your image. Once you are done, you are going to assemble all your scenes using your editor, okay, video editor, and then boom, add your animations, add your transitions, add your whatever thing you want to add, add your color and anything. Before you know, it becomes something that is presentable and amazing. So let's watch the final result of this particular creation. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this method out, and when you try out, please come and drop in the comment section if it actually works, because I know it works. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification so you don't miss my next upload. Alternatively, you can head over to Grok mobile app, okay, like your mobile app Grok, and use it to animate. You are using Grok and you've not used it before, it might allow you to create for free. That is, if you are subscribed to X Premium, you will create for free. But as an X Premium user, you will still experience this limit reached, okay, per day. So you go ahead and try this for free. So once you try this for free, it's going to bring you up to this Super Grok. It has upgraded you to Super Grok now. So go ahead and try this 3 days free trial. Please pay attention. While you are trying this 3 days free trial, just set an alarm. So once it is day 2, don't wait for day 3 to complete before you cancel it. You rush to the Play Store and cancel your subscription. Always add your card to your Play Store and subscribe from there, so it will be easy for you to cancel it. Okay, now I'm here, I'm going to subscribe, right? Great, go ahead and subscribe. So I will still come back here and of course agree. Perfect. So you see, it's processing. I've added my card. I will head back again and cancel it. Like I said, if you've not turned on the post notification of this channel, please do so that you will watch my next upload. This is how I've been able to use this. I'm illustrating this for you to see that you can actually use Grok both in your mobile app. Use this particular website and generate your videos. So I'm showing you this alternative in case the other one clashes or something happens. You can switch to this other one and keep creating. Now watch the full video.
Mama, this is her.
Good evening, Ma. Good evening. I'm from... No!
Mama, please.
Not our own.
No. I choose you.